Today we're going to learn how to make money with Facebook comments. If you see here, I've been able to make a good amount of money in the last couple of months with this system. And when you start the system with the base link of being able to get the mega link, you have the ability to go ahead and get money every time that you leave a comment on Facebook. So let's go ahead and show you that right now. Inside your dashboard, you can see how many people made commissions in the last 24 hours. So right here, 1,283 people got commissions that were paid to members in the last 24 hours. What we do is we scroll down into the My Product section and we go to Comment Dominator Pro. Now, I believe right now, this is actually as an added bonus whenever you get the front end mega link for the $7. And the great thing about that is this used to be between $49 and $99, and you actually get access to it as a bonus right now. So we click access the product, and you see here that I've made over the initial investment of $7 right here. I've made $8 in making comments on Facebook. And so when they are available, you scroll down here to this little box and it'll say leave a comment on this post, and it'll have the link to the post. Now, what is nice about this is if you ever need to get engagement on your OLSP posts, whether it is a Facebook post, a YouTube post, a Twitter post, you can actually pay per comment to be able to have people leave comments on there for you to be able to increase the engagement, to be able to get more eyes on your money posts if it's an OLSP post. You don't necessarily have to buy comments if you don't want, but you do have the ability to comment on people's posts. You see here, I've done 31 comments. I've made $8. And even if I was just doing the commenting on social posts, it would have more than made back my initial investment for the $7 on the mega link, which is pretty nice. And so just go ahead and check in here every day. Usually there'll be like 2 or 3 comments that you can do. You go to the post, you look at the post or look at the video, you make a good comment about the content, and then you submit your link over here. And once you submit your link, you will go ahead and have the ability to get paid. Now you have the ability to hit the toggle switch here where it says My Comments, and you can actually see the post that you commented on, what your was, and if it was assigned for commission or if it was denied. And of course, if you actually look at the content and you see what it's talking about and you make a good comment on there to be able to help your fellow members out to increase their money post, you get paid for just commenting on money posts. So that is an amazing opportunity to be able to get that. So if you haven't gotten the mega link yet, make sure you click the link below to take advantage of that, because you have the ability to be able to make money from one individual link. But inside this program, you don't just need to promote that one link. You can just go ahead and leave a couple of comments, get your money back, and then everything that you do in the future is all profit, which is nice.